Hello, let's talk about ICS CUBE activation. Option 1. Manual activation. In case ICS CUBE is not connected to the internet yet, you should send email to support@icscube.com with information about your company name, your tax number or company ID number, ICS CUBE serial number, and hash. ICS CUBE serial number can be found in Maintenance About section. There is Manual Activation button in About section. Press this button and copy all text from the upper part of the window. This is a hash. Hash and serial number are generated every time you install ICS CUBE. In a letter responding to your activation request, you will find need to copy this text and paste it in lower box of Manual Activation window and press OK button. Option 2. Online activation. Enter the Maintenance About section. Press Activation or Registration button. Fill in the form and press Activate ICS CUBE. In 24-hour period, you will receive a notification about activation to the mail address you specify. After that, you will need to press a Get a License button. There are two easy ways to ICS CUBE activation. Thank you for your attention.